Good morning, all of you. So, 2 days ago, there was an event called Guru Purnima. So, why we celebrate Guru Purnima? It's because we have to show some respect, show some gratitude towards our parents, our teachers, who help us in each and every way, who support in difficult times. And there's also infinite numbers of they believe in each and every way, not even educational system. They teach and give some guidance about even life lessons. So that's why we have some respect, show some respect and gratitude to our parents and teachers. And did you know also there's one little fun fact. Guru Purnima is also known as Vyas Purnima. The Rishi Ved Vyas, who also known as who wrote down Mahabharata and compiled all the Vedas. So Guru Purnima is start from that day. So on this day we celebrate Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Hello, good morning friends. Today on the occasion of Guru Purnima, I would love to share my thoughts and thank my all gurus which helped me in my life, starting with my family, my mother, my sister, my brother and all the friends who have helped me to achieve this financial success and independence in the life. Happy Guru Purnima.